In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change security questions in Payoneer. This is an essential step if you want to update your account security or if you suspect that your current security settings are not as robust as they should be. So let's get started and ensure your account remains secure. First, you'll need to navigate to the Payoneer homepage. Open your web browser and head over to the official Payoneer website. You can do this by typing in myaccount.payoneer.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar Payoneer homepage. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select Settings. This section of your account contains various options that allow you to customize and secure your profile according to your preferences. Once you've clicked on Settings, you will want to look for an option labeled Security Settings. Click on this and you'll be directed to a page where you can manage various security measures associated with your Payoneer account. If your account has security questions enabled, this is the place where you can update them. Changing your security questions is a straightforward process, but it's critical to choose questions and answers that are both memorable to you and difficult for others to guess. Avoid using common questions such as, "What is your favorite color?" or easily searchable information like, "What is your mother's maiden name?" Instead, opt for questions that are unique to your experiences or interests. Once you have selected your new questions and provided the answers, be sure to save your changes. This step is often overlooked, but it's crucial to ensure that your new settings are applied. Double-check that the changes have been made by revisiting the Security Settings page. And that's it. You've successfully updated your security questions in Payoneer. Remember, keeping your account secure is an ongoing process. Regularly review and update your security settings to protect your personal and financial information. If you ever feel that your account has been compromised, reach out to Payoneer customer support immediately for assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to manage your Payoneer account effectively. Stay safe and secure online.